Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What a day for opportunity if you can see it and if you can find it. And it's been great. And thank you ever so much, everyone that's tuned into my premieres. Thank you very much for staying engaged. It's been a great day for opportunity, some overreaction, some overselling, as always in the markets. Keep taking profits. That's what it's all about. Okay, let's go straight into the trades right now and welcome everybody in. So first of all, if it's your first time here, please do click subscribe and ring the bell. Let me know you are here, and that would be absolutely great. All right, thank you very much indeed. And what a day it's been today. Let's see where we are. Here's all the charts, information, all the information on the bottom of the screen. Look below the video for the description for all the links, the giveaways, the cash giveaways, our biggest ever giveaway. We're giving away another 25 tickets today for our biggest ever giveaway, $100 in cash and $1,000 worth of one-on-one, way worth more than that actually, but I like to undersell and over-deliver prize. So go and check that out. All right. Okay, here we go. Let's go into our positions. First of all, let me give you an update to everything. We've got new all-time records again. It sounds like a broken record, but it's the kind of the broken record you want, right? Sort of broken record you can live with. So here we go. This is my Roth IRA. It's down today, but overall it's up from yesterday. We're down slightly, but up since yesterday. Overall, $52,000 now. We've broken $52,000. Let me look at the positions here on the Roth. We've got what we're talking about this afternoon is Lucid. There it is, slowly climbing all day. I'm still slightly out of the money by $20. That is all. I bought 100 shares now. I went to 80, then I added another 20, and it seems to be growing slowly. I like slow and steady. Looks good. So that's nice. That's good. We're nearly in the money. Nothing great, but we are soon in the money. Now let's go to Virgin Galactic today. Same thing. I bought when it went to 320. There we go. I'm up again, 1.94. Now, it's weak. It's weak. I could even sell it at that point. You might go, well, why bother? $10. Hey, $10 is $10, right? I'll take it every day. If the markets are weak, put the money back in my account because it's not just $10, is it? It's $496 of money safety protected. At the end of the day, a profit's a profit. It's very weak, but I am holding it. And we shall see how we go in the next 15 minutes. Remember, it's sell-off Friday. People don't like to keep their money in over the weekend. But for me, Virgin Galactic, I will keep it in there unless we get a 10-15% rally right now, and then I'll sell some. But again, this is my scalping position, not my main position. My main position is where I just hold. This is where I make money consistently on the stocks that I want to own. That way, I can end up ultimately with all my own cash back out and basically full of free stocks. That's kind of what you want, right? It's called playing with the house's money if you want to use a gambling term. All right, okay. Let's get straight into it and see who is here today in the show. Right, I kicked the like button in the butt. All these new phrases, okay. Heck yeah, Ali, there you go. There we go. Smash the like button. I fingered the like button, says Crag. Good God, destroy the bloody like button. Oh my God. I stomped on the like button. Good for you. Rip that thumbs up. Evening all, says Brick Mark. Welcome, welcome. Alias, hey Mark. T.O. good afternoon, Mr. Lucas and the viewership. I like that, Mr. Lucas and the viewership. The viewership. Hi Mark, says Mike. Crag, hey Mark, how are you? Hey Martin, hey guys, hope all is well. Lewis Hamilton, how are you? I just put out, in case you missed it, 3 videos you might want to get an update with. There's more to come, more information to come. Let me just refresh that screen because it just went out before that screen refreshed. So let's go through the stocks just for a minute. The S&P up and down today, just falling back again into the close. Virgin Galactic slowly coming up. I like it. I'm up 2% at the moment on it. We'll have a little look in a minute. Virgin Orbit still delisting. Nothing's changed. Rivian slowly coming up from a $13, $13.20 low there. Tesla, we're not looking to sell anything. We're looking to buy. Lucid slowly moving up. Apple, sounds like my favorite people are here. First time of the year. Yep. The man with the mower and the blower. The mower and the blower absolutely drives me bonkers here in America. You all know what I think about that. Amazon, up today. Good. McDonald's, down a little bit, but still very, very expensive. Very, very expensive. Coca-Cola, down 0.32. J&J is down but slowly moving up now. Google, lovely day today, up 22% now. Google is. I'd love to own more of that. Microsoft, up 18%. Again, I'd like to own more of that. I've got a reasonable position. I've got something there. Walmart, Tesco, Next Era Energy. I'm looking for some bargains. Enphase Energy, Bitcoin. Let's have a look at Tilray Brands. Tilray Brands down 3% today, going down again. Not going to do much there unless that goes below 2. I said 205 was my next buy-in, but might reduce that. Robinhood, want to buy it at 950. SoFi, green today. IonQ, down 2.49. Canoe, down 0.51. Ford, up 0.05. Rio Tinto, and it is down 1.88. Bit of a bargain there today, perhaps. And Meta is up 0.17. All right, then. Okay, so now that page should be refreshed. Here we go. Let me scroll down. So just a few moments ago, it's Virgin Orbit farewell. We're doing a Virgin Orbit party after hours tonight. You're all invited. If we scroll down, this is the videos I just put out. Give that a second. Here we go. This is tonight's concert. I need to refresh that one as well. Blimey, all these refreshes. So much stuff going on here. Right. Come on. What's wrong with you? The channel's not moving. We'll come back to you in a minute. If you're going to mess about, I'll come back. Power Hour, let's go green. Yes, it's the sell-off Friday. Let's see what happens. Always a good sign if the markets stay up on a Friday. It's very positive for next week. Anyway, let's see how we do. Getting a bit of a slow computer here this afternoon. I think this is because I made all those videos and didn't restart my computer. Anyway, bloody hell, yeah, everything's grinding. Right, so here we go. Here are the videos that I put out just some moments ago. If you want the updates, there's Virgin Galactic update, Lucid update, and Virgin Galactic update. And I've done them in 13 languages. Should you wish to have subtitles in Arabic, you can. There you go. They've just gone out a few moments ago. There's more information to come. This is the first round of information that I've wanted to bring out. Anyway, so straight after today's show, we have an after hours party. It's farewell to Virgin Orbit. There we go. Yes, it's after hours, and if you want to go there, I will give you the link right now. And you can be the first to like and first to comment. Here is the link in the chat, the Virgin Orbit after party. And we are there straight after this. I'll put the link, here we go, in the chat for you. If you want to be the first person to comment and leave a like, you can. But there is the Virgin Orbit after party, Friday night. Have a beer, have some music, and there you go. Let's see who the first person is to leave a comment. Whoops, a daisy. Mike, I knew it. Mike, of course, there he is in the chat. First person there. Brilliant. All right, let's go back to it. Evening all, said George Semaine. Thank you for the link, George. I'm working on that. Thank you very much indeed. VORBQ delisting party for the shorters. Yeah, VORBQ delisting party for the shorters, LOL. Yeah, too late, I'm already in. I know, I tried. I can't believe you're beating me. I mean, how does that work? How does that work that you beat me to like my own video? I mean, I have a head start. I know when I'm going to release it, right? But anyway, there's Mike. Look, he was the first person in the chat. Mike, there he is. Boom, get in. All right, so join me at the end of the show today for the Virgin Orbit party. All right. Okay. Hello. I can hear stuff flying against the window. That means the what do you call it? The blower men and the flipping lawnmower men are outside. 52,033 all-time high. In fact, I think we were like, wasn't we up 52.1 this morning? Something like that. Anyway, let's see how we end up. There you go. We're just getting a little bit of a downturn. Let's see if we can keep it going before the end of the show. So anyway, let me see who's with me. We've got 32 in, 13 likes. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. You know what we're going to do. This is a thing we have to do in the show, you know. Smash the like button. Kindly tap the like button if you'd like to be part of Martyn Lucas's Investor Club. That's the other way of looking at it. Here we go. Today, but never mind. That's because I need to restart it. So let's have a little look. We've got 34 watching and 13 likes. Come on, let's get 20 likes. Mr. Mini-Me's going, come on. At least we can get 20 likes, right? At least we can get 20 likes. If you like the video, it shares it to more people. We learn and we get even more information into our channel. 15, come on, smash the like or tap the like button, whichever you would like. All right, thank you very much. 15, 16, we're on the way up. 10 seconds to go. Excellent stuff. Just a few more seconds. Can we get there? All right, 16. Not quite. Keaton's like button. He's not here, is he? 17. There we go. Very nice indeed. All right, back to our positions. We are having an after-hours party tonight. It's a farewell concert to Virgin Orbit. If you want to join us tonight for the farewell concert, here is the farewell concert. It's a shame, but it's a reality. It's the VORB after party in the chat. I'm 53, a cup of tea, I'm a baldy and making money. If you like what you see, then talk to me and give us a thumbs up, likey. George Semaine, drop it in, I'll read it out. BlackRock CEO think I see 2 to 3 more Fed rate increases. Oh dear. BlackRock with the black doom and gloom by the sound of things. They could very well be right. Right, we're getting a bit of a sell now. Let's go back and have a quick look. It does look like we're getting a bit of a sell now. I see rate hikes rising another 75. Oh, I mean, it's great for my, great to earn money on Robinhood, but that's not what we want, is it? That's not what we want. We want rates to come back down. Anyway, let's have a look at it. Virgin Galactic, I'm up 1.71. I'm inclined to sell it. Friday. It's a Friday afternoon. We are. There we go. It's giving up the ghost. 1.4. It's unlikely to come back at this point. I'm up so little though. 1.25. I mean, it is 1.25. It's two free shares. But I'm not going to bother. I'm going to hold it. It's probably a mistake. With news like that coming out, we'll probably get a sell-off into the close. No reason why Virgin Galactic would. It was supposed to fly today. We've had no information about it. So it's been a disappointing day, no question about it. Been disappointing for Virgin. Anyway, you're the man. Happy weekend, George Semaine. Hey, look at that. Hey, George, that's very, very kind of you. Thank you very much indeed. You know, George, you want to save that just for a few minutes because in a minute we're doing an after-hours concert and you can get requests for super chats. So thank you very much for that. But there you go. Hold fire just a minute because that will get you a song. But now you just got to tip me again. I mean, you know, you got to think ahead here, George. You got to think ahead. All right, super chat. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's bring in a super chat. Let's do it. George Semaine, thank you so much indeed. There he goes. Thank you very much indeed. Super chat. George Semaine donated $9.99 for a super chat. You're the man. Happy weekend. Thank you very much indeed for that, mate. Cheers. Thank you ever so much. That's what I meant to do. That's what I meant to put on the screen. There you go. Okay. Cheers, George. Cheers, George, mate. SMP is just giving up the ghost a little bit. It's a bit warm in here. I'm going to take my jacket off. Excuse me, folks. It's a bit warm in the studio today. I blame the grass cutters because they're polluting the atmosphere and the place is warming up. That's what's going on. Let me take my jacket off a sec. Oh, can you hear the flipping noise? Here we go. Take my tie off as well. It's a bit warm today. Okay, there we go. Let's have a poll. How long will it take VORB to reach $1? Nicholas Morello. Can you imagine? Can you imagine that? Virgin Galactic just nudging back up again. We just bought another position this morning. Can everyone hear the grass cutters? Only in America do you turn up with tanks to cut delicate blades of grass and then blow all the grass onto the neighbours and then blow the grass onto the neighbours. They blow it onto the next door neighbour. Can you hear that? You'd think we're digging up a hole. You think we're digging up the drains. I love these idiots. I really do. Get an electric one. I'm on the 5 a.m. red eye, so won't make VORB party. Sleep now. We'll watch it on catch up. George Semaine. Thank you very much indeed. Is there a song you'd like me to do, and I'll put it in the show for you? That way you won't. You'll still get a request, right? You'll still get a request. Hey, Swangernes from Norway. Swangernes, we're about to have a little party after hours. Here's the VORB after party. Swangernes has come in from Norway. Hi, Martin. Happy Friday. He's bought me a beer. Right, Leah, get the beers ready. I've been bought 2 beers now. I've been bought 2 beers. So there you go. Thank you very much indeed. Let's say thank you. Let's say thank you in. It's got to be in it. It's got to be in it. Let's say thank you in Norwegian. We got to do that, haven't we? Google Translate. Here we go. Let's say thank you in Norwegian. Good evening, everyone. Paddy, how you doing? English to Norwegian. Oh, if you have any idea how much this drives me up the wall. It is so. It's the one thing I hate about America. Is you have yard crews come around with giant, massive, huge, gas-powered grass-cutting devices to cut blades of grass. It's like, in England, I just push my little mower and it's like silent. Or get an electric one, little fly mow. And then they blow all the flipping leaves and all the bits to the neighbour. Then he gets someone come round next week and then they blow them all back. It drives me mad. I can't tell you how I hate it. Swangen S, thank you very much indeed for my super chat, and I'm inviting you and all your friends in Norway to join us for the after hours party. It's the Farewell to Virgin Orbit after party with live music. There we go. Swangen S. I think I've spelt that right. Swangen S. There we go. Did I spell that right? I like to spell it right. Swangen. Oh, Swangen 77. Why did I say Swangen S? Swangen 77. I don't know why I did that. Swangen. It's good that you can adjust it afterwards, isn't it? All right, here we go. This is for you. This is for you.
Svangen 77, tusen takk for superchatten min, og jeg inviterer deg og alle vennene dine i Norge til å bli med oss på ettermiddagsfesten. Det farvel til Virgin Orbit etter fest med levende musikk.
Sergeant Pepper's Lonely Hearts Band tonight, JP Rothschild. Yep, you can have it. Oh, yes, JP Rothschild. Remember what I said, though. Members only. If you want to, have faith, if you want to make requests and pick songs, have them dedicated. It's a members perk. You've got about, 30 minutes to become a member. JP Rothschild, do you want your very own Sergeant Pepper's Lonely Heart Club Band request? And don't forget, you get to keep it if you make if you do a super chat and a member. You can download the video, share it with your family. You get to own it. What people pay $500 for me to make for them, you get as a membership. You get for free as a membership. So think about it. Oh, you got just a few minutes to go. I'm surprised you don't have soundproofing. I have, as much as I can have here on the walls, I have the soundproof tiles. But you have to remember, I am a married man. And my wife, when I moved here, I kind of did already destroy the house a little bit with my music, my equipment, the warehouse full of all my touring equipment. This room is just a studio. This used to be a reading room. There's only so far you can go. Let's be honest, without and still remaining married. I'm just saying. Aha, George, Sergeant Peppers. Yes, I just saw about you. You're in an old folks home. Your room is done like that. This is Leah and the nursing taking care. What? I just saw you in an old folks home. Your home is done like this, and Leah is the nursing care taking care of you. What's going on? I have no idea what you're saying. When is the party starting? In an hour and a half. In an hour and a half from now, straight after this show. Do you want the link to it? If you go to the link, it will tell you when it starts. Here is the Virgin Orbit after party. Here we go. It's the farewell to Virgin Orbit. There you go. There you go. There's the link. And if you want to be the first person to leave a like or comment, there, hang on. Here it is. We got 4 likes already. Moving out, says Eric B. Eric B knows what he wants. Look at that. He said, I know what I want. I want Billy Joel moving out. I ain't messing around. I know exactly what I want. So there you go. You can go there right now and already get yourself a front row seat. Get it on your telly, big screen, pump it through your speakers. All right. Annoy the neighbours. Annoy the grass cutters. That's what I would do. Paddy tonight. Swangan 7. How are you? Swangan 7. Thank you for that tip, by the way, earlier. Oh, did I do it? Did I do a celebration for you? I bet I didn't, did I? I bet I forgot. I need to sort that out. Let's have a little look. Hi, Eric. Glad to see you. Hello, Paddy from Italy. How are you? Alberto, thanks. You're very welcome. I'll be there, Martin. Yes, I'll be there, he said. Brilliant. Hi, Martin. My daughter's 7-year-old saying hello to you. And if you could say hi to Mahar, she loved your show. DR Maria, Mahar. Hang on then. We've got a 7-year-old young lady here. DR Maria's daughter. She's called Mahar. Hang on a minute, we've got to do something special here, haven't we? We've got to do something special here. Hang on then, let's do it. Let's have a quick chat to Mahar, who's 7 years old. Our youngest ever a member of the show, right? We've got to do it. So let's go here. Right. Mahar, this is especially for you. I believe you're 7 years old. You are DR Maria's daughter, and you're live on the telly right now. And you tell your dad, because your dad is a member of my channel, and as a member of my channel, he has a birthday dedication. Now, I reckon he should give that to you. So when it's your birthday, or when it's your mummy's birthday, I want you to come on the show like you are now and tell your dad to send me a message and say, hey, it's Mahar's birthday, it's my birthday, and I will sing you happy birthday live in the show, and you can show all your friends at school that you were live on the telly, all right? And we're going to make you famous More famous than Kim Kardashian, all right? There we go. So that's Mahar, and that's D.R. Murray's daughter. She's 7 years of age, and we are going to... She loves your show. Look at that. Brilliant. And we're going to do her birthday when it's her birthday. Brilliant. How cool is that? I can't wait for that. It's going to be great. Right. Virgin Galactic is going back up again. Let's have a little look. Where are we? The S&P is rising into the close. We've got half an hour to go. Virgin Galactic's rising up. I'm up 2%. Eric B is here. Virgin Orbit. That is now starting to barcode. Starting. Not yet. That is just about squaring off. Starting to barcode. That is the beginning of the very end of Virgin Orbit. That's all algos just in and out, closing down the positions. There you go. That's Virgin Orbit barcoding. All but done. And that's why we're having an after hours party tonight. All right. I didn't do the celebration for Swangan, did I? So now we're ready. We were doing D.R. Murray's daughter there for a moment. We were celebrating his daughter. Okay, so here we go. It's a super chat. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you very much indeed, all the way from Norway. Brilliant. Thank you very much indeed. So tell all your friends. Tell all your friends. We'll be doing a party for our friends in Norway in just a minute.
Svangen 77 000 takk for superchatten min, og jeg inviterer deg og alle vennene dine i Norge til å bli med oss på ettermiddagsfesten. Det er farvel til Virgin Orbit etter fest med levende musikk.
There you go. D.R. Murray says, that was brilliant, Martin. She was all over the moon. Brilliant. All over the moon. I love it. Thank you so much. We will let you know when it's her birthday. Brilliant. Brilliant. Okay. Fantastic. Excited about that. That'll be good, won't it? Welcome in, Mahar. There you go. Mike's welcome you in. Everyone's welcome you in. Mike's from America. Paddy's from Italy. We've got people. We've got Swangan from Norway. I'm from England. All over the world now. See how famous you all are now. Mahar's very famous. D.R. Murray, where are you in the world again? I forgot. What country are you in? And what is your native language? What is your native language? And what country are you in? Okay, here we go. We're rising into the close. The S&P is coming up. Virgin Galactic is coming up. Barcoding now. Starting to barcode. Not quite yet, but it's starting to. Tesla. Nice. Going up. We're not looking to sell. We're looking to buy. Lucid. Going up. Okay. Apple. Going up. Amazon. Flat. McDonald's. Again. Down but going up. I want to try and get some if I can. Coca-Cola. Going sideways. J&J just pretty much going sideways. It's a pretty yucky day now. Google's doing well. Microsoft is down at 1.42. It's a pleasure, D.R. Murray. Walmart is down today, 0.77. Tesco is down, dropping off. We want to buy it around the 6 point. Next Era Energy, nice. Enphase Energy, good. Bitcoin is 30,000, down 1.45 today. Tilray, down 3% today. Not good at all. Down 7% on that now. Tilray Brands. Robinhood, down 0.74. SoFi is up 0.33. IonQ is down very slightly. Canoe is up slightly. Ford is having an okay day, up 0.12. Rio Tinto gave us a discount this morning. Yep, still is, 1.95. Meta up again, 0.31221. Great value stock. There you go. Now, if you want to join us tonight for the after hours Virgin Orbit party, which starts in an hour and a half from now, there is the link to that. All right, give you the link. The video will go directly there. We've got 4 likes on it already. So be the first person to like, leave a comment, come into the chat. Mike was there and Eric was there. Excellent stuff. All right. All right. Martin, remember we all had a call last time about space. Your mum Oh, yes. Remember, Martin, we had a call last time about space. Your mum used to live in Birmingham. That's right. I apologise not for remembering everybody. I try to. It's getting harder every day, but I apologise. Anyway, okay. We're coming up to the end of the show, at the end of the week. What a week it's been. What a week it's been. I'm a little bit excited about TikTok next week. Might have an upgrade. They've upgraded me. I've got a special thing that might be happening. I've just got a message from TikTok. That's why I'm not on TikTok right now. I got a special message, and I'm just reading through it. But it looks like they've upgraded my account for something very special. So we shall see if it all comes to light. Anyway, how many in the stream? Very quiet this afternoon. 23. Very quiet. Very quiet this afternoon. Yeah, it's quiet. It's quiet. Very quiet. I thought it would be busier because I had 3 premieres come out. And in fact, I think what's happening. In fact, I know what's happening. Everyone's watching my premiere. Look at this. I thought it was a good idea to bring a premiere out just before the show because it actually promotes you, because it's only a 5-minute video, then it promotes you. But look, I've got, look, these have just come out in the last few minutes. 153, 85, 40, they just come out. People are watching my my premieres. There we go. Watching them on loop, watching them on repeat. Anyway, 7,208. There we are. Let's see what information we have on Bloomberg. Nothing new that I've heard today. Bit of a quiet day for news today. That's looking at Sky News. Nothing much to report there either. Anyway. We're rising into the close a little bit. We've got Virgin Galactic just rising slowly into the close. That's good. Bankruptcy party. Yeah. It's exciting, isn't it? Yeah, let's do. I mean, at the end of the day, I've lost about 40 grand with Virgin Orbit, so I thought it was worth a celebration. So I thought I'd throw a party, and if I could get $40,000 in super chats, I can make it up. You know, that's what I was thinking. So I've invited the best people. I've invited you, Arnold, and invited everybody. And I'm thinking, you know what? We're down 40 grand. Let's see if we can get 40 grand in super chats. So if we get about 40 people in, which will be about right, if everyone gives me $1,000 super chat, it's doable, right? It's doable. I looped your music channel on 4 tabs all day. How's the hours? 3,200. 3,200. Remember, I won't get an update now till tomorrow. That's where it was last night. I won't get an update until tomorrow. So on Monday, I hopefully will be reporting, if everyone carries on, 3,300. That would be great, wouldn't it, to get 3,300 by Monday? And then we're on the homeward straight. Anyway, let's carry on going. Tesla, rising. Lucid, rising. Excuse me. 40,000. God bless. God bless you. Cheers to that. Yeah, good luck on that. He's thinking, I'm not even a member. I don't even pay you $1 a month. You reckon I'm going to give you $1,000 super chat? I'm not even going to come to the music concert. I've said I'm not. So you got no bloody chance. Anyway, I live in hope, Arnold. I live in hope all the time. Great, Eric. I looped your music. Yes, thank you. Paddy and Ale, are you looping my music? Are you looping my music? Here we go. I haven't done this before. It's time. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is time. Here we go. Here we go. I would like to welcome our special guests, Paddy and Ale, all the way from Italy, near Pisa. The question I want to know is, however, have you been looping my music? Otherwise, I don't think we can carry on being friends anymore. Let me know. All right. You ready? In Italian.
Vorrei dare il benvenuto ai nostri ospiti speciali Patti e Hale per tutta l'Italia vicino a Pisa. La domanda che voglio sapere è: comunque hai suonato la mia musica in loop, altrimenti non penso che possiamo continuare ad essere amici, fammi sapere.
There you go. I've given you roughly like 2.2 from my Twitch Prime, and that 1 month, so 1 day at a time. 1 day at a time. That's right. You're absolutely right. Do you know what? It was so good. I want to hear it again. It was so good. I want to hear it again. That's no good. Loop in now. There you go. Mark's doing it now. Look. Mark's doing it now. Coca-Cola, J&J, coming up.
Vorrei dare il benvenuto ai nostri ospiti speciali Patti e Hale per tutta l'Italia vicino a Pisa. La domanda che voglio sapere è: comunque hai suonato la mia musica in loop, altrimenti non penso che possiamo continuare ad essere amici, fammi sapere.
Patty says today not, but I have been doing it. Just saying. All right. Okay. All right. That's good then. On the light of that news, we can carry on being friends. Phew, that was lucky.
Va bene, allora alla luce di quella notizia possiamo continuare ad essere amici, che sono stati fortunati.
There you go. Okay, here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God's right. Right, we're rising. Hey. Rising into the close. Look at this. Hey Martin, the translation, Alex, it's not correct. Hey Martin, the translation, it's not so correct. Oh, I can't check it, can I? I've no idea. It sounds good, doesn't it? I mean, that's good then. On the light of that news, we can carry on being friends. Who that was lucky? Oh, I see. Who that was lucky? Few that was lucky. Okay, all right. I'll change the word few then. Flipping out. It's one word. It was one word.
Va bene, allora alla luce di quella notizia possiamo continuare ad essere amici, che fortuna.
Hang on. Do that again. Do that again. Here we go. Try that again. Rising into the... It seems the recorded voice announcing trains at the station.
Va bene, allora alla luce di quella notizia possiamo continuare ad essere amici, che fortuna.
Well, I can't change the voice, can I? Is there a way to change the voice? I don't think so. English handwrite, rate the translation, copy the translation. No, there's nowhere you can go, well, I want a different voice. What do you think this is? All right, hang on. Yeah, there's no way you can change the voice. No, I can't change the voice. You get what you're given. Virgin Galactic, look at this, look. 52,096. Oh, Virgin Galactic, look at that in the after, coming up to the after hours. That's nice. Oh, look at this. I didn't expect this. Yes, what a luck. Yes, indeed, what a luck. Look at this. Oh, oh. Hang on. Can we take some money into the close? Should I sell into the close? What do you think? Lucid's doing the opposite, though. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. Lucid's okay. Lucid's coming up as well. That's all right. That's very good for a Friday night. I got to be honest. That's very good. Getting a bit of a rally. You're getting a bit of a rally now. Some transaction are in man's voice and some are in... I know. Some translations. I know. I can't change that. There's nowhere I can choose. I can't choose some sort of sexy woman to give me a nice voice. I can't choose. It sounds the way it sounds and take it or leave it. All right? So take it or leave it. Don't come on here saying I want a particular voice. I mean, flipping out. What do you want? Right, Virgin Galactic rising quickly. Virgin Orbit. It's the after-hour party. The regional train to Rome. It'll arrive on platform 2. The regional train. Here we go. Okay. All right. The regional train to Rome, it'll arrive at platform 2. The regional train to Milan at platform 3. Attention, stay behind the yellow line. Here we go.
Il regionale per Roma arriverà al binario 2, il regionale per Milano al binario 3. Attenzione, restate dietro la linea gialla.
That's what I'm talking about. Right, so no more messing around. Rivian coming up. Tesla. We're not looking to sell anything unless anything explodes. This is very good going into the close. Amazon. Wow. What do you think of this? Is everybody benefiting from this? We're getting a rise into the close. Look at this. I didn't expect this on a Friday night. It's good. Very, very good. Virgin Galactic and Lucid. That's the ones I'm looking at. I mean, I could take a profit. I mean, 2.8%, I'll take it. Exactly, it's the same, Martin. Right, Lucid, what do you reckon of that? It's, I'm still out of the money on Lucid, but I'm tempted to take some profit on Virgin Galactic because it's a Friday, and then see what happens on Monday. 2.8% in a day. It's not insignificant. The point is you just keep doing it with higher and higher stakes. 2% of if I put $5,000 in, 2% would be significant, right? What do you reckon? 22. Would you sell on a Friday night? 2.77%. It's 3, 6, 9, 12. It's 4 shares. It's like 4 shares free. I've got 4 shares of, free. Basically, it's 4 shares free. So essentially what I could do now is just sell everything but 4 shares and they're free. Just keep getting free shares. Play with the house's money, right? Yeah, anyway, it's nice, isn't it? Right, we got 15 minutes to go. Let me check Bloomberg. So here is the competition. Look out for giveaways over the weekend. Don't forget the newsletter. If you want the newsletter for Sunday, this is your last chance. I should have mentioned it, shouldn't I? I'll have to do a special video tomorrow to announce it. There you go. There's the giveaway. Let's have a quick look. Happens fairly regularly now on a Friday. The entire market is only concerned with the open options positions, and we close whenever most expire out of the money. At some point, these ODTT options are going to cause a huge crash of 25% in a single day. Literally trillions of dollars bet on them these days. There you go. So, it's quite surprising. I didn't expect a rally at Friday night when the markets, there's nothing really to celebrate. Anyway, 832 tickets. Let's see if any more tickets have gone in the last hour or so. 832. There we go. No, the same. 832. It's always an anticlimax, isn't it? You go, what's it going to be? And it doesn't change. Mum and the train for La Spisa at platform 2 happens regularly now on a Friday. The entire market is only concerned with the open... hang on. Let's just read that again. Concerned with the open options positions and will close wherever most expiry out of the money. It's unusual though, isn't it? Anyway, that's where we are. It's good. I mean, would you sell? Would you sell? I mean, in one day, 2.8%. I mean, remember, it's a scalp trade. It's not my long-term position. Would you sell that? 10 minutes ago, 2.8%. Would you sell it? Can't put a stop trail on it because it won't operate after hours. It's a tiny profit, but I'd like to put the money back in the bank. Remember, I don't earn any money on the Roth though. I don't earn any money on interest payments. It's not like my brokerage account where I earn 4.4%. You're going, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking it's mine. It's $13. Yeah, but $13, I think it's great. It's not the $13, it's the fact you're protecting the money as well. You're taking the $13 and you're also protecting the $500 Monday morning. Look for a pullback again. Alex, Ed, how are you? Sell and get the money. Yeah, I mean, that's it, isn't it? I wouldn't normally bother, but I'm thinking I did not expect the market to rally on a Friday, literally 10 minutes before the close. The market makers will buy and sell future contracts to keep the price away from levels where most options will expire in the money. Very easy for them to do with low volume especially. Okay, let's do a poll. We've got 10 minutes. Start a poll. Remember, it's only my day trading account. I've got my main position. I won't pay any tax on it. It's free money. Should I take profits on SPCE? There you go. I'm holding my main position, but just this one. What do you reckon? Should I take profits on SPCE? All good, thanks, Ed. I wish the same for you. Hope you're well. Profit is profit. What does the chart tell you? You can always scalp half or a quarter, etc. Well, let's have a look. Let's go into the chart a little bit. Let's have a closer look. It's now coming to the point of overbought. The RSI is getting closer to the top, so it's getting in the higher end of overbought. So that would suggest potentially a sell at some point. We're also looking at. Let's scroll out a little bit. We are approaching some resistance. It's Friday. I mean, it's really not much to talk about, to be honest. But I just think I've got my main position. I wouldn't mind just doing it and getting out of it. Let's look at I've got 9 minutes. It's still rising, isn't it? Let's go to SPCE and look at the order book. Look at the order book. Here we go. This is not brilliant information. It would suggest it's pretty 50-50, look. It's not like all one-sided. Let's have a little look. Yeah, see 6,000, 6,000. It's pretty even. 10,000 there when it hits 334. Buy at 320. There's not a lot. It's not a lot in it. So really, it is literally a flip of a coin. It's a flip of a coin. It is a gamble whether it's the right thing to do or not. It's always right to take profits. I'm not going to pay any taxes on it because it's in my Roth IRA. I can always find a better price. I'm sure on Monday it'll go lower. I've got a few minutes to go. Yeah, only 3. You can go. You can't go wrong with that. Profit is profit. Was it part of your learning curve to take profits earlier? Yes. It's too much explain here, but you could read this. Oh, hello. Thank you, 22. It's rising. Okay. I'm going to take some profits. I think it's good. Virgin Galactic. It's at 332. 5 minutes to go. How many have I got? 151. 150. Right. Limit order 331, so it will sell anything above 330, 330. So I want it to go through, so I have to allow a penny and a half. 330, so it will sell at 332. Continue. Market hours, I'm doing it now. Continue. Today, continue. I've got 151, so 150. There we go. Review, 330. Review. Five minutes to go. Still climbing a little bit, look. Ready to swipe. 150 at 330. 333. You ready? I've got my finger on it. It's at 333. It's going up. I can't do a stop trail loss after hours. 333. It's exciting. I always get excited by it. Sell. There you go. 332. There you go. So I sold at 332. Now what I want to see is it go all the way back down again to $3 and do it again. That's what I want to see. What I don't want to see is it go to $20. Don't want to see that. Don't want to see that. There'll be hell up. I'm telling you, there'll be hell up. There you go. So, done. Took some profit. Great. Ooh, it's exciting sometimes. Now, just to show everybody how much money I just made. This is tax-free, remember, because it's the Roth IRA. There you go. That's basically all I made. 482, 498. There you go. That's basically what I made. 16 bucks. 16 bucks, free money. Happy days. I've still got my long-term position, but I've just sold my day trade position. We've literally got 2 minutes to go. Good. I'll take it. Very nice. A profit's a profit. That's all the way I look at it. And now, if we look at my Roth IRA, we should have some decent money in there now. Yep. There you go. You can see I'm up 13.8. Virgin Galactic is, the general account is up as well. And overall, I'm at 52,166. New all-time high. Not a bad way to end the day. And in my main account, there's $1,000 earning money. It's now earned 40 cents, look, in just like 2 days, just for doing nothing, right? So that's good. My Roth IRA, I've now got $2,500 back in the account. 1,367 is earmarked in case something crashes for Monday morning. And the overall balance is 52. There you go. What was the... it was 50-50. Should I take profits? 45% said yes. And 55 said no. All right. There you go. Profits in the bank. We'll take it. Do you always have just one share after taking a profit? Do you always leave? Yeah, I like to leave one. Because it reminds me what my average is. So it's just a little marker. If I go back to it, look, I like to leave one share because that tells me I can look at my history, but it does two things. First of all, my average is 322. So remember, when you sell, your average doesn't move. It only moves when you buy. Okay? So I know on Monday morning what I want to do is I made money at 322. So what I want to do is I want to buy 322 or less and I'll make some money. Okay? That's kind of my little target. But also what it does is if I go to, I mean, I've got my history. If I scroll below, I can see what I paid and so on. I've got my history and obviously got your statements and everything else. But if you also look at my account, we've got 30 seconds to go. We're about to ring the bell now. If you also look at the account, if you've got one share, it remains in your list. See that? Look, it remains in the list with one share. When you sell it, it drops off the list, and then you've got to add it to, you know, things to buy and lists and stuff like that. So that's why you always leave one share. Okay, let's ring the bell in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bell is now gone. 52,163. That's a new all-time high. I'll take it. Right, the concert starts, the party, the after-hour party starts in 1 hour exactly. Right. Now, doesn't matter what Virgin does now. If it carries on going, that's great. Because over here, I've got my main account with 336 shares. And they're out of the money. That's why it's a separate account. This is where I pay tax. I don't want to sell this. I just want to hold this for a long term. But my day trading is in my Roth IRA where I don't pay any taxes. I'm just trying to make more and more money. So my pension, you know, is stocked up. Okay, let's do day trader of the day. I'm going to get off and then I'll see you all for my concert in just under an hour from now. Of course, I'll be there earlier with the countdown, so come and join me. Let's see who's going to join me tonight. There we go. We got 4 likes already. There you go. And this is the after hours party. This video will take you directly there, or go to my music channel, or just go to just go there. Look, The link's in the chat. Okay. Let's do day trader of the day. Here we go. Day trader of the day. Now, my main brokerage account is down, but overall today, I'm probably down overall, I'd say, but only a little bit, down 0.47%. There we go. There's my score. Let's put a minute on the clock, and let's see who wins today. Here we go. Down 0.47, down 0.43. Or up 0.2. Is that up or down? Is that up or down? Up 0.72. Brick mark. Congratulations. Up 0.72. DR Murray, is that up or down? $20 seconds to go. Just a few seconds left to go. Martin, if I tip you in BTC and it goes to 100,000, Martin, if I tip you in BTC and it goes to 100 million gazillion trillion, yeah, what's the question? There is no question. Tip me with BTC. Tip me with BTC. If it goes to 100 gazillion million bazillion trillion, then I will sing you 2 requests. Yeah, so yes, tip me with BTC for a song, right? And then when it goes to a million, gazillion, bazillion, bazillion, gazillion, I will sing you 2 songs. It's fair, isn't it? I think it's fair. Right. B Joel down 2.01, down 0.83, down 3%. I think Britmark is the winner. DR Murray could be the winner, but I don't know if he's up or down. I'm guessing he's down 3%. So I'm going to give it to Brickmark. Brickmark is the winner. There we go. Let's congratulate Brickmark. So you ready? Thank you very much indeed for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. And let's bring on the sound effects. There you go. All right. Excellent stuff. Right, I'm going to get ready for my concert. It's not really a concert. It's more of a sing-along, really. But there you go. No, it isn't. It's a concert. It's definitely a concert. What about you, Eric? LOL, I would do at least 4 songs. Yeah. At least 4 songs. Well, for a million, gazillion, bazillion, billion, trillion, gazillion, billion, definitely 4 songs. Definitely. I mean, I don't even need to think about it. It's straight off the bat. Right, now then, that's it. I'm going. Let me give everyone the link. Here is the link. I'll be in my music concert in a few minutes. There's the link. It'll take you directly there. There it is. We've got 4 people already liked it. 4. There's like, what, 8 billion people on the world. And YouTube goes to everyone. And I got 4 people. 4 people. 4 people are coming to watch the World Piano Man sing the Virgin Orbit concert. 4 people. Doesn't sound good when you... 8 billion people and 4 billion. And 4 are coming. Anyway, I'm going to get off. Hey, we just gained 3 more subscribers. Brilliant. I love it. That's it. All right, I'll see you back on Monday morning. All right, Monday morning. Let's roll the credits. I don't think there's any point. I don't think we got any super chat. Oh, yes, we did. Yeah, we did. Of course you bloody did. Let's go. Stars of the show. Super chats. George Semaine, Swangan77. I forgot. How terrible of me. How very dare me. There you go. See you all back in a bit. I'll be back on Monday morning. Of course, I'm back in 50 minutes. I'll be live before then, though. So make sure you come in early. Otherwise, you miss the surprise start. Don't just come in on the hour. you'll miss the surprise. You know, I could just start half an hour early and then end before you get there. So you'll miss out. Space looks like it's about to fall. I hope so. I hope so. I hope so. Right. It just makes me look good. If I time it perfect, everyone goes, what does he know? All right. That's it from me. See you all in a bit. Have a lovely evening. I'll be right back with the live concert in a few minutes. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.